Hi, this is Tracy, and I was asked by a couple of people to show you how to create a resource list in collections without having an individual catalog link for every book in your list. So you just want a list. So let me show you the difference here. Readbox, I imported my books to movie list, and I've got 30 catalog links. So for my easy reading suggestions, though, I had 100 items, and instead I just have a list of all of the books on my list, which was like 100 books. It's not 100, it is not 100 catalog links. So the way I did that is I started off in the catalog, and you got to make sure you're logged in. And so over here on catalog, I went down to resource list, and you choose the list you're going to do. So I had chosen easy reading. So when I open that up, here's the list. I can sort them by call number, title, author, however you want to sort them. I prefer to sort books by call number. And now up here, it asked me to choose an option. And I tried actually several different variations of this, and the best way to do it is to email this list and then hit go. And then I just sent the list to myself. So then when I went to my catalog, I'm sorry, when I went to my email, now I have a list of all the books that were on my resource list. So what I did was I opened up a Word document and I copied and pasted all of those books onto this Word document. And I played around with it a little, and you can mess with it as much as you want to make the list look like you want. And then when I saved it as a PDF because it has to be a PDF in order to upload it onto Google Drive. So once I have my PDF version of my easy reading list, then I go to Google Drive and I upload my easy reading PDF into there. So once that's in there, then when I go to my collection, hold on, let's delete this. Delete. So now I'm going to add an item and I'm going to upload. I'm going to go to Google Drive and I'm going to, my first option is because it's always by the most recent. Select, and I am going to call it Easy Reading Suggestions, and I'm going to click Add. And now here is my easy reading. So I have easy reading. If I import a resource list, I get a list of every single item linked to its catalog record. If I go through the process I just showed you, email the list to myself, copy it onto a Word document, save it as a PDF, upload it into Google Drive, and then add it to the collection, I will get a simple PDF list just like this. And I know that's a lot of steps, but on the other hand, you are going around from having 30 different catalog items in a collection to having a single item. So it just depends on what you want that resource list to look like. If it's just one part of a whole collection with websites and web links and videos and what all, then it's probably a good idea. And also, I would suggest that you go ahead and email all the lists that you might want to do, create all your lists in advance, and then you can just upload them all at one time, and that would be pretty easy. So that is my way of adding a resource list to collections. Not the easy way, but it does work.